So here we have the Omni table, the pallet that it just came off of. What we're going to do is we're actually going to move it onto a furniture dolly. You can pick these up at Lowe's for $20, $25 in that range. Move the table over to that. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to unscrew these feet out of the bottom. We're going to have our 2-inch extensions. I like putting these in first, right, so that you can kind of see exactly where they're going to go. Screw that in, leave about half or an inch out. And then all we have to do is put these along the bottom, screw them in, give a couple spins, they're going to tighten all the way on up. And then you'll just straighten them on out. Just like so. You do that on all four, and that'll give you an extra 3 inches on your Omni table.